Did you know our saliva is very important to taste the food? Hello friends! Let's start my new experiment on Saliva Test. Take some cookies, chips and cereals and taste them. Stick your tongue out and dab a bit of food onto it. You should be able to taste them straight away. They are yum! To start the experiment, take a kitchen towel and fold it. Now dry your tongue all over with kitchen paper. Dab the foods on your tongue again. Is there any difference? Your tongue has taste sensing, taste buds in it. Taste buds are in tiny cracks in the tongue surface. For food to reach them, it has to be washed down into the cracks. Your tongue is normally wet with saliva. As soon as saliva touches the food, it dissolves some of it and washes it down the gaps. When your tongue is totally dry, this cannot happen and you cannot taste anything. Hope you liked the video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.